Alright, so we're going to be rebuilding a liquid turbine. Here today it's a Halliburton. It's an old one. They're all typically the same. These are now new flows, sold by Cameron, but same type of meter, same type of parts. So this particular one, we proved on our master meter prover and it failed. I tried a couple times. I tried cleaning it up, but as you can see there's a lot of pitting on here on the fins. It does spin freely, which is good, but it's obviously inconsistent, so it needs a rebuild kit. So you can purchase these from the manufacturer, of course. Whole new kit. Comes with both ends and the rotor as well. We'll be pulling it apart and changing it out. First step is, of course, you gotta take out these Allen head screws so you can pull off each end. The new kit does come with new screws, stainless ones, as they do get fairly corroded, and some actually break off and you have to easy out them. Pull it out. There you go. There you go. The old one, pull it out. Yeah, you can see a little better damage to it, the pitting. So it's in a water injection service, and it's sour, so it's fairly corrosive. As you can see, it's fairly pitted there. That's probably the problem. Now you want to make sure you clean that quite well. I won't show you in the video, but I brake clean it and make sure it's nice and clean. You want to also take a look and make sure there's no really bad damage inside. That might require just a whole new meter. It's got a little bit of wear. It's not too bad, especially for being from the 80s or 70s. It's probably been rebuilt a number of times. So, first thing we'll do is we'll take one of these brand new ones. And it comes with a tag that tells you what meter factor it was calibrated with at the factory. Now we're going to reprove it anyway, so we don't really need that. Typically they don't put them on like this, so we're going to cut it off. We don't really need it. Now you want to align these little notches with the holes for the screws. Slowly push it in there, and you want to line it like that. The kit comes with new screws and an Allen wrench, actually. So you want to throw those in there. Make sure those are nice and snug. Really just hold this in. Once the meter's put in service, of course it's between two flanges, so it would hold everything together, but I'll make sure those are nice and snug. Not too tight that you break them. Now, you'll notice on all meters there's an arrow for the flow direction. That's important. So we know it's going to be flowing up towards us. Now you want to look impeller here. There's actually an arrow as well. So that arrow is pointing down, so we need to point up towards us so it's in the same direction as the meter. We'll carefully drop that in. Make sure it spins freely. And I'll put the other side in. That in there, and of course, put your screws back in. And you're off to the races. So now you should be able to go back, prove this meter, and ensure it passes. One thing you will want to check out here once you get these last 2 screws in, it's hard with my left hand, is that it spins freely. There's no obstruction there. We'll do that here in a second. It spins nice and freely there. Of course, all the old parts, unfortunately, no good. Need to be thrown out. I actually feel that there's something stuck on the bushing there, so that might be the problem. There you go. That's really what the internal looks like. It's all installed. Every time this impeller spins, the mag pickup here picks up a pulse, and therefore you get your pulses per volume. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.